In this video, we're going to talk about how to do wrap text or how to make all of your columns the width that you need them to show the entire text. So the first thing is going to be wrap text. So like this top row right here, it won't show all of the text within one cell, like it covers that up. So how you get rid of that, or how you make the text move around to fit into the cell size, is you highlight the row you want to do. If you want to do all of it, you click this button here. But we're going to highlight this top row, and then right here under the Home tab, you click Wrap Text, and it automatically moves it down. So now it's all wrapped around to fit. If you don't want to do that and you want to make your columns the length that they need to be, rather than going through and clicking each one like this and going through all of them, that can be really cumbersome. So what you can do is start here where the A highlights, click it and hold it down and drag across all of your columns. Find a seam between two of the cells where that little symbol shows up and double click it quick. And it automatically moves each column to the right, to the appropriate width to make everything fit. So I hope this is helpful for a quick tip. Thanks. Bye-bye.